On the 6th day of Advent, my donkey gave to me kisses and snugglies. Mwah. And we built an Advent calendar Lego, eh, bud? Mwah. Hi, this is Aaron from Sibling Rivalry, and we're doing day 6 of our Lego Advent calendar. Alright, so it's day 6 of the Lego Advent calendar. Duncan's here with me. I don't know how well this is going to work out, but let's do what we can, eh, bud? Mwah! Love you. Okay, so there's day 6 is right there. It's probably a minifigure today. We kind of figured that it's a split. Oh! I was just thinking, what if it's the snowman minifigure?
Hey, you like snowman? You want to build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play. Never see you anymore. Come out the doors like you've gone away.
Well, we just got demonetized.
Well, we just got demonetized. So did you. And all of the other channels. Hopefully this doesn't count as kids programming, because then we're doomed. Oh, I guess he doesn't have legs. I guess he's just got like a mound. I guess. I thought the one on the side looks like he's got legs when they show him. But, oh yeah. If you're putting together a snowman, it helps if you put the snowman together properly and read the instructions. Day 6. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that works. Oh. This hat is warm. So, how are your guys' Advents going? Let us know in the comments down below. I know Val and I are doing some baking, some recipes and stuff like that. I don't think this actually clips in there. I think it just sits. Of course, talking about the hot cocoa that goes with the snowman. I guess I could flip it upside down and do it that way. I don't know. I feel like I'm going crazy here. Yeah, we've been watching some Christmas movies. Well, we watched Home Alone today, which is always a Christmas tradition with us. We actually started watching this documentary on Netflix that is about, well, it's called The Movies That Made Us. You should check it out if you have a Netflix subscription. They've got an episode on Home Alone. We're about to watch that. You should also, if you haven't seen it, check out the Toys That Made Us, which is like its sister or father program. I don't know. It's related. I think it's done by the same team. And they've got a whole episode on the history of Lego, which was really cool. And yeah, so we got a snowman. And he's got a cup of joe. So it came with an extra peg for the like the coffee. You could also make it like, I don't know, like a pumpkin spice tea or something with the extra thruster piece from the spaceship. Ooh, my brain feels like it's melting. Oh, and it came with an extra ascot. So you could put that on the kid, actually. It's like an ascot or a scarf. So let's do that. It's always better to have extra layers that you can remove than to have not enough layers. At least that's my belief. So there, the kid is now extra warm, riding his toboggan over the snow hill to hit the snowman, who was talking to the dog as a spaceship flew by. Now the snowman could also be having a nice chicken dinner here.
Hey, Duncan.
Duncan's hanging out under the table.
You want up, buddy?
Oh, where'd he go? He is vanished. All right, so I think that about wraps up the build for today. So if you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up. We really appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, we appreciate your subscription. For those of you who are subscribed, we really do appreciate it. And if you haven't rung the bell yet, you should ring the bell so you get notified when we upload new videos. So we are doing one of these for the next 18 days, I guess now. I'm going to keep counting down from 24 and see where my brain falls apart. And we'll be doing, we're guaranteed we'll be doing content on Mondays, and we'll have additional stuff on Thursdays when we have additional content. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video, and have a happy holiday. Bye for now.